scrolling luxury bag ads and landed on craftfresh.com? Before you click buy now, we're breaking down whether this site is a real luxury store or a potential scam you should avoid. So craftfresh.com presents itself as an online shop selling personalized and fashion products like pillows, blankets, and supposedly luxury items with free shippings on orders over $69. They include contact info and promises of real creative product ideas. On the surface, the site uses HTTPS encryption, meaning your data appears protected during entry. It has a simple about us and contact email listed. These elements look like a normal e-commerce site at first glance. But here's where you should be cautious. Very low trust scores from multiple scam detection tools. One security checker gave it 1 out of 100, meaning it shows characteristics common in scam shops, young domain, and suspicious infrastructure. The deeper risk analysis found a very low trust index of 17.2 out of 100 and flagged it as suspicious or dubious with no verified reputation data. This site is very new, just months old, and has little to no credible customer reviews or independent feedback. Sites like this often advertise cheap luxury items but aren't backed by real brand partnerships or reviews from real buyers. So is craftfresh.com a real luxury store? Right now, it's high risk and not proven legitimate. Trust scores are extremely low. There's no solid customer history, and typical scam indicators appear. We recommend avoiding purchases until clear verified reviews and real brand credentials exist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.